Hello viewers, this is Ishan Akbar. In this video, you will learn that how can you use ChatGPT or AI, artificial intelligence, to create any solution to any problem. Let us say we are going to write an essay or a story about any topic, and you want AI to generate this story or this essay for you. You will just simply go to your Chrome and write here the chatgpt.com and press enter. You will see here this is dialog a chat menu, but here you have to first sign up. So here go to sign up and choose your email ID with which you want to log in or with which you want to create the account. I will use to continue with Google. Here you can see different email IDs. I will select with which I have already created an account. So th- th- for this you will have to select an email and just click on what are you working on. So what is your topic of discussion with the chat gpt? Let us say I will go say hi to the chat gpt. It will say hello, how can I help you today? So I will say how are you. It will reply like a human being but in a positive sense because it is a tool. It is a tool to talk to a human like real humans. So I want help with writing an essay. Can you help me? So it says, of course I can help you. Please tell me what is the topic. What is the topic of your essay? What is the word count or page requirements for the essay? And what is specific structure you want to follow, like the body, introduction, body, and conclusion? And is there a particular tone you want, formal, academic, and casual? Let us say I am going to tell him the topic first of all. So one thing that you have to keep in mind about AI is the guidance, is the you can say training. If you train the AI in a proper way, then it will reply you, it will provide you the solution in a proper way. If you don't guide the AI in a positive way or in a proper way, then it is not evident, it is not clear that it will provide you the solution as required. So first of all, I will write the topic. Let us say the topic is leaning tower of Pisa. And what is the word count requirement? Second one, say I say 2000 words. Do you need any specific structure? No. I will write that create a best structure. And fourth one is the tone. So I will write the academic tone. So see here, it has started writing the essay. You can copy this and paste this in any of your files, a Word file. So here you can see the information. You just need to verify this information, uh, verify the quantitative information. Qualitative information is good with the free account because this is a free version. So you need to verify the quantitative information, mean you need to confirm this year, you need to determine the tilting angles, you need to determine this height, and etc. So you have to just deal with the quantitative information. Otherwise qualitative information is always good with this one. So here you can see the whole essay of 2000 words with provided references. It has provided 5 references, but you can never trust in the references provided by the chat gpt free version. You can trust uh, in the paid version, but you cannot trust the free version of the chat gpt. So this is how you can create an easy essay in minutes, in seconds, using chat gpt. But the first and last thing is how you train your AI helper. If you train it in a good way, then the result will also be in a good way. If you don't train it in a positive way or a good way, it will not give you the information as required. So I think you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications for the newly uploaded videos. Till next video, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.